Hello everyone, happy morning and greetings to you all. Hope you have been preparing well for the ongoing self-assessment model paper 2, in other words FA-2. Well, in this short video, we will be having a cursory glance through our class 10 English model paper for exclusive practice covering the units 4 and 5, and practice paper 2 comprises the units 5 and 6. So thanks and credit goes to our KSR English Academy for the wonderful preparation of question items covering the syllabus. So now without any further ado, let's get started with our English model paper practice. So as you all know that reading comprehension contains a small passage, an extract from the lesson from the diary of Anne Frank, Unit 4, prose piece. So I'll have a brief reading of the passage. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed where I was, brooding. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let anyone read this stiff-backed notebook, in other words, diary, grandly referred to as diary unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. So this is the passage given. Now look at the reading comprehension testing questions. Why did Anne Frank feel a little depressed? Second one, Anne says, paper has more patience than people. What does this expression mean, or what does she mean? Why did Anne give more importance to the diary? So there are three multiple choice. Please choose the accurate option. Anne would allow one to read her diary when. So read the options and select the appropriate choice. Then followed by the poem, our favorite poem which we discussed, Amanda. Stop that sulking at once, Amanda. You are always so moody, Amanda. Anyone would think that I nagged at you, Amanda. So very good poem. An extract here. Who is passing instructions? Who is being instructed? Pick out the word from the above stanza which means to be silent because of anger towards someone. కోపంతో అలగడం అనే పదం ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమొస్తుంది? So dear students, hope you understand it. Now let's move on to the supplement reader passage from the lesson Footprints Without Feet, where we have the information about Griffin, an invisible man. He soon found a suitable shop. He made his way invisible upstairs and came out a little later wearing bandages round his forehead, dark glasses, false nose, big bushy side whiskers, and a large hat. To escape without being seen, he callously attacked the shopkeeper from behind, after which he robbed him all of the money he could find. Eager to get away from crowded London, he took a train to the village of Iping, where he booked 2 rooms at the local inn. The arrival of a stranger at an inn in winter was in any case an unusual event. A stranger of such uncommon appearance set all tongues wagging. Mrs. Hall, the landlord's wife, made every effort to be friendly. So this is the passage. We got it from the SR context. Now what did the person do to escape Griffin? Where did he book 2 rooms? Very easy to answer. Now section B, grammar and vocabulary, where we have the synonyms of the underlined words: panoramic, wide; misty, foggy; leads, leader; and we have the expressions using sentences of our own, ramble on, quaking in boots from the fourth unit from the diary of Anne Frank. Then match the following: heartbreaking, keep back, make up for, get on. So heartbreaking means here producing great sadness, keep back means make up for means compensate, get on means keep back not promoted, get on means boarded a bus. Next, we have the right form of the words. Coorgi homes have a traditional or tradition of or traditionally of. So, tradition of hospitality, willing to recount, wrongly spelled word here, experience, weather, tradition, prepare, third, fragrance, peculiar, companion. So very easy to guess. Now followed by suitable prepositions, then articles, then we will look at the creative expression here where the context has been given from the unit 3, the black aeroplane. The narrator went to the control center immediately after landing at the airport to inquire about the pilot and the black aeroplane. Now write a possible conversation between the narrator and the woman in the control center. So you watched all the videos and exact plots and the summaries of the lessons. Now you can develop a creative conversation between them, right? Now the second option is writing a paragraph based on the given information. Here it contains types of letters: informal, formal, and formal official business letters and examples. So now we can compose a 10-line paragraph using these clues. So dear students, hope you find it useful. Wish you all happy learning and keep learning. Do take care. Now we will have the answer key here at the end. If you want to refer to it, please refer to it. Otherwise, you can check the answer key after successful attempt of the model practice paper, right? So with this we conclude our video. Now we have already completed class 6 and class 10. Now we will deal with the remaining classes. So do take care. Jai Hind.